Hello guys, it's me lolbit, and today I'm playing Animal Jam for the first time. So I'll let me control it for a while, cause she needs to get ready for bed. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna make a video, because I'm bored to death. So, yeah, there's nothing much here. I mean, I don't know what to do, because there's not really much. I guess she decorated this for me, because it looks like me, so I'm just gonna take it. I'm not gonna dress my animal up or anything, because I don't want to ruin it. She has a lot of stuff. Wow. Let's see. Oh, there's a sandcastle down there. I'm going down to the sandcastle. Whoa. This is big. Ginormous. Water. Good thing I'm waterproof. Hey look, there's a lizard. You know what would be cool? Oh, I just got a jag. Oh, okay. Op told me about Animal Jam, so I know what jags are. Oh, those look dangerous. Oh my, they chomp. You know, I'm just gonna get away from here, because I don't want to be chomped up to pieces. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Whoa. They have a picture. Oh, uh-oh. She has a picture of my friend Mangle. That is so nice. It's really cool. She has a lot of those plushies. Wow. That's a lot of them. But yeah. Yeah, that was me playing Animal Jam. Hope you enjoyed, I guess. I didn't do much. Well, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye!